Right, hey y'all. So I am sitting here on this very cloudy May morning. It's early May, and got my tea. I've got my little duck tea infuser. I love him. He floats. And we're going to start with some of the May printables from the Craft Collage Club, and I want to just like start a journal spread and cut some things out while if you got the physical products, you wait for them to arrive. But if you're a member, everybody can do this. If you're not a member, you can go look in the comments and check it out. Okay, so some of the like collage / journal papers, I want to use one. And I'm having a hard time deciding. I think do I want to use this one? I really like all of them, which I could use all of them, but ooh, I love this one too. All right, I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna start with this one. And I'm just working in a Artist Loft art journal that what I do is take notes in it. Like sometimes I just have to like write stuff down, but I don't need to keep it. It's just like I got to get it out of my head, and it's usually stuff for business and like I'm like scheduling emails and things like that. And I just need to write it down so I can see it, but then I don't need it again. So I've been doing it in a art journal and then just making art over it, so it's like a twofer. Okay, so I want to use this as one of my backgrounds, and I'm going to use some book pages too, because I'm going to tear it in half, and I'm probably going to use this too. And then I want to make probably this tag insert, and I want to cut out some tags, probably from here. And then I want to do a little mini envelope. I don't know, this one's calling to me today, so, and then I'm gonna do that. All right. And I'm just going to give myself some little places to tuck things and journaling spots, because I have so much stuff I've been collecting to like put into a junk journal, and I just haven't done it. So one of my goals this month is to start putting some of that into a junk journal. All right, so I've got my piece of paper, and I think what I want to do is cut it in half. And let me lay this out here. You can see how I like it. I've got that. I might actually change my mind. Let's try. So it's not the plan, but I think it's the plan now. Oh, okay. Ooh, either that in the middle, or one of these pattern papers. I think I want to do that. Give it a little pop. All right, so I need about how much? There we go. All right. And do I like that? I think I do. All right, so I'm just going to use some matte medium. Put that down. So that's all dry. And I think I want to do some stenciling. I'm gonna move this out of the way and start cutting out some of my stuff. All right, I want to add a little bit more interest. So I'm going to do two things. One, I put it down. Then this is peacock. Yes, peacock feathers. I think that's it for today. I have a plan for this over here, but that will be in my next video. So I will see y'all on Tuesday in the Facebook group. Check out the description for a free printable and a link to the Craft Collage Club, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!